Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use color grading on CapCut. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to open CapCut, create a new project and import necessary video. So in my case it would be this one. I already imported it. And here in the timeline I have my video. I'll mute it. So there are two ways of how you can add some color grading. So first way is you need to click on the video, where you want to add some color grading, then click on filters in the top side of the screen, and here you have some pre-made color filters. So you can choose from it as you like. So you can expand filters and choose some filters by your mood. So for example, style, then you can download this filter if I like this filter, and as you can see it changes the color of the video, adding the filter. But the second way, if you want to add your own color filter, you also need to select the video where you want to add it, then go and click on adjustment in the top right corner. And here you will have this interface. If you scroll down a little bit, you have these sliders, and you can play with them. So for example, you can lower the temperature of the video. It will make it more blue, or make it yellow. So you can change the tints if you want. As you can see, the video is also changing. Some colors are adding, colors are making sharper, etc. Then there is a lightness section. You can increase exposure, contrast of the video, highlight something if you want. So you can play with these sliders as you like, some white, black dots, or sharpen the video. As you can see, everything is sharper right now. So add a vignette if you want, but basically it is it. Moreover, this is the basic settings, and if you go to the HSL, so for example, you want to increase the brightness of some colors. So for example, I want to increase the brightness of green color, so I need to click here and choose green color and increase saturation or tints or what I want, or lightness. As you can see, the green color is now more bright. If you go to curves, you can also check it, but this is for pro users. This is not for beginners. So if you want to change some color grading, you only have to change the basic and HSL if you want. And basically that is it. It is how you can use and add color grading in CapCut. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.